Hey guys, Todd here again with TW Home Show. Today I'm making another 3D print. I've actually already printed the major part of it. That's the Terminator head, as you can see right here. I made some modifications, made this a little deeper. I cut the skull down off of the model a little bit more. Opened this up a bit. It has minimal supports here, so those will have to come off. And there's a few in here and there, so not much. And then this part down here breaks off. This is just a support that I added on, so that would just break off underneath the chin there. And this material is really unique. It's beautiful. I don't have to paint it. It's already a metallic finish, and it's actually this stuff here. It's a silk rose gold PLA made by this company right here. I'll leave the link in the description below. It's really nice stuff. So stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and set up for the print to do the skull top and get this all cleaned up. We're going to put neon lights in here for the eyeballs and put in our echo, and then the cord will come out the back down here. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here's my printer settings. I'm using this GOVEE Create, and I've got that with when I got my first printer, the GOVEE Aurora. I like this. I went and I did an update in the Cura, and it messed it all up. It would automatically pause during the whole print. It would pause on and off. So I redid it with this one here, and here's the quality is 0.2 layer height. And I'm just going to scroll through here in case you want to print this yourself. I did this in 100%. You can see over here on the left, 100% of the STL. Wall thickness 1.2, wall count 3. See, bottom layers I did 8. And infill density, I only needed 5%. Did very well with that. I did an infill grid pattern. Right here, down here to the important settings is the default print temperature. I did at 225. I noticed after the other one messed up, this filament that I was using needed to be really hot. So it did 225 all the way through. And build plate temperature was 55 degrees, initially at 65 degrees. And I did a retraction on it. And then here's the print speed. Print speed, I pushed it at 70 print speed with travel speed of 120. And I enabled the jerk control. And for the cooling at 100%. And what else did the support. Generate support. Support placement I did everywhere at an 86%. With a zigzag support at 10% support density. So that's about it, guys. Oh yeah, and the brim, I did a brim on it, just a short one, 10 line count on the outside only. So there you go. If you want to do it, turns out beautiful, especially if you get that silk rose gold PLA. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and set up the skull cap on it. Okay guys, we've got the new and improved T800 Terminator head. Beautiful finish with this silk rose gold color PLA. Printed within 2 days. I'll leave the exact time in the description. What I've added. Now, I've added a lot more light holes so that when you put your light in here, your LED lights, it's going to reflect out of not only the eyeballs, but it's going to reflect out of his forehead, a couple places there, his nose area. I put a deeper pocket in here, right? And all of those voids I've added will actually add lights coming out of the side of his cheeks there, because there's a void way down here, and that actually connects to his cheeks. Also to this hinge pin, that's like a void area, a hole there where a light will come out. And this is going to be beautiful, guys. And I think on this one, I made these chambers for the eyeball lights bigger. And before I had the LEDs right up front, I think I'm going to set them back in within the light, within the eyeball socket there, a little bit further back, so you're just going to see just the natural light color come through there. And this is the LED set I picked up. I think it's primarily meant for your TV screen, the back of your TV, which is perfect. I don't need a lot of LEDs on this. So I'm going to show you this thing. It's pretty cool because it does work with Alexa. It's the GOVEE LEDs, colored. Comes with a couple cards and instructions on how to connect to the app and connect to Alexa, right? Your LED strips are in here. It's not much, like I said. We won't need much on this. Oh, one other thing I wanted to show you on the Terminator Head. I added a channel here that the LEDs can sync down into. So you'll attach the LEDs down in this channel right here. So they're out of the way, so if you look at it from the side of the head, the opening in the side of the head here, you're not going to see the LEDs. They're just going to be shining upwards from out of this channel. It goes all the way around here. You can even put some down in the chamber down here. You're going to run your cords for your Alexa and your LEDs right through the back of the spine there, right in this little gap here. And it's going to run right up through the spinal canal there. Come out here. And then you can set your Alexa right up on top here. Or you can even probably fit it down into this chamber. I made this a lot larger this time. You might be able to fit right down in there. So let's take another look at these LED lights. See what's in the box. Okay. You've got stick-on brackets, an alcohol wipe pad, clean the surface first. Now I'm not sure if it's going to stick to the PLA. I might have to use a couple dabs of silicone around that channel and just stick it on there, which I'll probably use on top of the double-sided sticky tape that comes with them. Here's your power adapter right here. Here's your control unit, but I'm only going to be using the Alexa app to tell it how, to turn it off and on and change colors, but it does have an on-off button. It's got a color changing button, and I think maybe a dimmer button. We'll see as we go on here. I want to open these up and see what they look like. Nice little pack of LEDs right here. So there's your LEDs. Let's see if we can power them up. It's got a little clip right there. Only one way that clip works. There's one little lip there. I like these so far. Okay, right now I've got the skull cap printing on the 3D printer. Okay, we've got it plugged in. Let's try it out. And we got lights, guys. We do have lights. So let's try this thing. This little controller. I'm going to hit the power button. That works. Hit this middle button. Okay, the middle button is color changing. And let's try this bottom button here. Okay, that's your mode button. Different flash modes. So that will be kind of cool. Yeah, I like that. What do you guys think? I like it. I like it a lot. That's pretty cool. Okay, so these are gonna go right in there. I wanna try this out, just see how it's gonna look. We put these around here. All right, put them near the eyeballs there. Can you see the eyeballs lighting up? There we go. Eyeballs lighting up, the nose canal area, and the forehead. Guys, this is gonna be cool. Okay, let me finish this up. I'm gonna splice it up, get all the LEDs in there, and we'll come back and take another look at this. We'll have the skull cap printed by then and see how the final product looks. We'll have our Alexa brain inside here. This thing's gonna become very smart, be able to control your smart home items, your light switches, everything like that. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the finale. Looking good, guys. You can see the lights coming out the sides too. Okay. I think it might be enough. Yeah. I think that's going to be enough. This PLA is really reflective, so it's going to reflect inside here, especially when you get the skull cap on there. It's all going to reflect. So I don't think you need that much of these lights. It says not to keep them rolled up, so you can't, you know, keep this roll in there, even though it would probably fit. You don't want to keep them rolled up, they'll overheat and malfunction on you. Might run another strip. I got one running around the inside here. Might run one around the outside of the skull in this LED channel. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it right there. I'm going to turn the power off. Okay guys, that's it. I still got a lot of roll left, but that's all we need. Make sure it powers on after that cut. And it does. So there you have it guys. I did it in the LED channel that I made, the new LED channel on this one. I've got one strip running around the back side of the head, right here, and one strip running around the inside where your Echo Dot would sit on this pedestal right there. So it's giving you a lot of light. I've got the LEDs in the eyeballs kind of set back this time. So it gives you that glow from a distance without exposing the LEDs too much. Sides have light coming out of them. Alright guys, this is it. This is our new and improved Terminator. Let's just call it version 2. So I'm going to leave the STLs for you for both sections of this print. It's the main head part, and then the skull comes off. Gives you easy access to add your LEDs, which I love this LED set. Get the GOVEE LEDs, whatever you do, by GOVEE. The app is simple to use, direct, easy. I put it on music mode, and I think I'm going to leave it like this because I like how it turns on with voice. So it recognizes your voice if you're having a conversation or whatever in your office or your living room, wherever you decide to place this. You got the interaction. It's a pretty good size head. See, it's human size, maybe a little bit larger. I've got on this model version more openings to let light through on the sides, up top here, also on the back of the skull. What I also did, made more room down here, and you want your GOVEE LED voice box and switches, put that down in the front of the skull cavity there, because that's where the mic is. It will pick up everything coming in to the head here. And then even if you play your music on your Echo Dot, or you want to put a Google, play your music, and it's just play your music, and it's just going to activate these lights. So there you go. There's from the back. See, from the back, when I'm talking to it, the lights are activated and they change colors. Echo, what time is it?
The time is 4:18 p.m.
See that, guys? Awesome. I'm going to give you a nice look around of this, and that will be it. So I'll see you guys on the next video.
I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Come get lost with